Fetch Rewards pays you small, consistent points for every receipt you scan, while Ibotta pays higher cashback per offer, but only when you hit very specific product requirements, which is why users often see faster, steady rewards on Fetch and bigger but less frequent payouts on Ibotta. By the end of this, you'll know which app actually puts more money in your pocket, based on how you shop, not marketing claims or screenshots that don't reflect real usage. Start with how each app actually pays. Fetch Rewards is simple. You scan any grocery receipt, and you get points regardless of what you bought. That means even a random shopping trip still earns something. The trade-off is that the value per receipt is usually small, unless you hit special boosted brands or in-app promotions. Ibotta works differently. You don't earn for the receipt itself. You earn only when you activate specific offers before shopping and then buy the exact matching product. That includes size, flavor, brand, and sometimes even store restrictions. If anything is off, the cashback won't apply. Now the key difference in real-world results. Fetch is predictable. Almost every receipt gives something, so your balance grows slowly but steadily. It feels easier because there's less planning involved. Ibotta is inconsistent, but higher ceiling. One correct grocery trip with multiple activated offers can outweigh several weeks of passive scanning on other apps. But that only happens if you actively plan your shopping around the app instead of using it after the fact. This is where user behavior matters more than the app itself. If you already shop normally and don't want to change what you buy, Fetch usually performs better because it rewards everything you do anyway. You're not optimizing, you're just scanning. If you're willing to check offers before shopping and adjust your cart slightly, Ibotta usually wins on total earnings because it rewards targeted purchases instead of general activity. There's also effort cost. Fetch takes seconds per receipt. Ibotta takes planning before checkout, plus careful matching in store. That extra effort is exactly why payouts can be higher. So which pays more depends on your style. Passive users tend to earn more consistently with Fetch. Active planners tend to earn more total cashback with Ibotta over time. Summary. Fetch rewards every receipt with small, steady points. Ibotta rewards specific purchases with higher cashback. Effort level decides which one pays more for you. Next step, check your last week of grocery receipts and see whether you prefer scanning everything or planning purchases around offers. Like and subscribe for more real breakdowns of money apps without the hype.